Dairy and bakery major Britannia, well, 91 of them to be precise. So Britannia's first quarter performance came in better than what the street was expecting across all key parameters. While revenue grew 6.5%, margins came in at a better than expected 14%. Meanwhile, volumes grew a robust 3%. All this helped limit the fall in net profit to a little above 1%. Here's how the numbers eventually stack up.
Biscuit maker Britannia has not had it easy these past few months. First, there was the aftershock of demonetization which hurt demand, and then the rollout of GST, which led to destocking across its distribution network. But in spite of this challenging macroeconomic environment, Britannia recorded a robust, better than expected 3% growth in volumes, even higher than the 2% volume growth recorded in the demonetization quarter.
After demonetization and after the GST rates were declared, what we are seeing is a sort of a momentum in the markets that we are weak. So north, we are seeing a momentum, and I think that's a very good sign, because what GST has done and what demonetization did was to make the playing field level for us and the B brand players. It becomes imperative for them to pay taxes, and also the taxes now get normalized with all other products. So I do think that tailwind will continue, and we will continue to see an upside in our volumes in north and as well as in east.
The company expects normalcy to return in the second quarter, but to build on this growth momentum, Britannia is working on enhancing direct reach and further growing its footprint in the rural market. Input costs, however, remain an area of concern. Up 6% in the first quarter, they are showing no signs of trending lower. And Britannia says that if this continues, it may have to hike prices in the second half of the year.
Flour inflation, which is a big part of what we buy, wheat, the flour inflation was only 3%, while all other commodities were double digits. So sugar was very high, and so was milk and palm oil. But flour sort of got us to a stage where overall commodity inflation was at 6%. We do need to take about 2 to 3% price increase as we go forward. But I don't think we are going to do it immediately, because right now is not the right time. GST has just been implemented. There has to be some stability for some time.
Meanwhile, Britannia will continue with its plans to scale up its dairy and bakery business. This includes investing 1,000 crore rupees over the next 3 to 4 years to set up a plant in Maharashtra's Ranjangaon food park. This plant will be Britannia's largest, boasting 6 biscuit lines, dedicated lines for cakes and rusk, and even a dairy project with an overall production capacity of 7 lakh litres per day. Bureau Report, CNBC TV 18.